Asia's monsoon season is a time of dramatic transformation. Heavy rains sweep across the continent, bringing life-giving water to parched lands. These rains create vast seasonal wetlands, temporary havens for a remarkable array of wildlife. From the floodplains of the Mekong River to the grasslands of India, these wetlands pulse with life. These wetlands are not just important for wildlife, they are also vital to the livelihoods of millions of people. The monsoon rains replenish rivers and lakes, providing water for drinking, irrigation, and transportation. The fertile soils of the wetlands support rice paddies and other crops. For centuries, people have lived in harmony with these seasonal rhythms. The arrival of the monsoon brings a flurry of activity to Asia's wetlands. Waterbirds arrive in their thousands, drawn by the promise of abundant food and breeding grounds. Flocks of egrets, herons, and storks wade through the shallows, their long legs perfectly adapted for foraging. Ducks and geese dabble in the water, while kingfishers perch on branches, their bright plumage a flash of color. The wetlands are not just home to birds. Fish migrate from rivers and lakes into the flooded plains to spawn, their numbers swelling as they take advantage of the abundant food supply. Reptiles, amphibians, and insects also thrive in the warm, humid conditions. The wetlands teem with life, a testament to the power of the monsoon. For many species, Asia's seasonal wetlands are crucial stopover points on long migration routes. Birds that breed in Siberia and other parts of northern Asia rely on these wetlands for food and rest during their arduous journeys south. The wetlands provide a vital link in the chain of habitats that migratory birds depend on for survival. The monsoon season is also a time of renewal for the wetlands themselves. The influx of water flushes out pollutants and recharges groundwater supplies. The flooded vegetation decomposes, releasing nutrients that support a rich ecosystem. This annual cycle of flooding and drying is essential for maintaining the health and productivity of these vital habitats. Section 4. Wetlands under threat. Despite their ecological and economic importance, Asia's seasonal wetlands are facing increasing threats. Pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial discharge, and sewage is degrading water quality and harming wildlife. Habitat loss and fragmentation due to infrastructure development, agriculture, and urbanization are shrinking and isolating wetland areas. Climate change is also posing a significant challenge. Changes in rainfall patterns are disrupting the timing and intensity of the monsoon, leading to more frequent droughts and floods. Sea level rise is threatening coastal wetlands, pushing saltwater further inland and altering the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Section 5. The importance of conservation. Protecting Asia's seasonal wetlands is crucial for the survival of countless species and the well-being of millions of people. Conservation efforts must focus on reducing pollution, promoting sustainable land and water management practices, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. Local communities have a vital role to play in wetland conservation. Their traditional knowledge and practices can help to guide sustainable management efforts. By working together, we can protect these vital habitats for generations to come. Section 6. A future for wetlands. The future of Asia's seasonal wetlands hangs in the balance. The choices we make today will determine whether these vital ecosystems continue to thrive or disappear forever. By raising awareness about the importance of wetlands, supporting conservation efforts, and advocating for policies that protect these valuable habitats, we can help to ensure a brighter future for Asia's wetlands and the people and wildlife that depend on them.